Hello dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. Digital. Today we are going to learn how to add product listings on eBay. So we will need the login details of the eBay. First of all, we will log into our eBay seller account. Then we will go to the source product and we will have to collect at least one image. We will have to save the image on our desktop. Here it is. I have saved on number 11. Then we will need the title for the product that we want to add to eBay. So this is the title. Then we will go to here and click on create listing. Then click on single listing. Here we will paste the name or title of the product and we will click on this search bar. Then we will go to here, click on continue without match, and if the item is new then we will click on new, and if the product we are selling on eBay is used then we will click in used. So this item is new, so I will click on new. And now here we will add at least one image for the product. Click add photo and we can see here the number 11, the same photo that we have saved on the desktop. So click on it and here it is, and we will go down and fill out as many categories, as many options as we want, and here we will put the brand name. We can collect here Red Heart and go down, and if you want to select any of the things from here then you can select, otherwise eBay will automatically select the relevant things for the product. So it is yarn, so we will click on yarn, or otherwise just leave it as it is. Go down, and this is the portion for the description, and now we will go to the source of the product from where we want to collect the information for the product. Then we will copy the information for the product and paste in this description bar, and if we want to more description then go down and collect the description that you want to add. So here it is, and we will go down and paste it here, and if there are some unwanted things then we can delete or remove the unwanted things from the description, as I am removing. And now go down, and now we will have to put the price of the product, and it depends on you what profit it is. Here you can see that the price is $12.99, so I will put the price here. You can add your own, and go down and just click on list it, and your product is listed on eBay and it is ready for selling, and done. Here it is. We have done the listing. So this is how to create the product listing on eBay. If you like the video, please press the like button and share button and subscribe my channel to get more similar or wonderful videos. And if you want to see the product that we have recently added, just click here. It is on the top of the list of the products. You can open it in a new tab. It is an internet issue, and here it is. Just open it, right click and open it in new tab, and here is the product we have added recently. Here it is. Here you can see. So I hope you have learned this skill. Thanks for watching.